Joe Beermaster, the Car Master here. Today we have a 2020-21 Subaru Crosstrek. It goes for multiple years. Show you how to change the bulb and the tail light. If you need to change it, how to take it out. First thing you want to do is open the hatch, and then you'll see these two grommet covers here. Pop them out. And underneath is a 10mm bolt or a Phillips head screwdriver, whichever you'd like to use. Take them both out. This one's real easy to do, pretty much. Now the key to these are trying to get that light out because they stick in. And
normally you can just hit it with your hand, palm, but I have carpal tunnel really bad and arthritis in my thumb, so I came up with another trick. You can get a plastic spreader. It doesn't have to be this big. Push it in.
Got just little plastic pins under
right
there.
out.
See the pins, and there's little slots.
Without breaking it.
So sometimes it's very difficult, and you have to really work it out. And when you put it back, make sure you
align
them in. And there's a little push pin there. And in here are the little bulbs. You can disconnect the harness. We've already disconnected this. We've had it out. So it was a little easier said than done. And then you just twist it and take the bulbs out, and it's like a Christmas tree. Just slide the bulb out, plug it back in the socket, then twist it back in.
They're keyed, so they'll only go in one way.
So if you need to change the bulbs or the assembly, that's pretty much how it's done.
The LEDs go out, you're buying a light.
Right, there's an LED in here too. So if that part goes out, you're going to have to buy the light assembly. All right, and then you put it back same way. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I hope this helps.